Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to rearrange the channels on your YouTube TV. Are you tired of scrolling through a long list of channels to find what you want to watch? Do you wish you could customize your channel lineup to put your favorites first? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to rearrange your YouTube TV channel guide, making it much easier to find exactly what you're looking for. Before we dive in, if you find this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more helpful tips and tricks. It really helps us out. Alright, let's get started. The good news is, you can rearrange your YouTube TV channels on virtually any device where you can access YouTube TV, including your TV, computer, or mobile device. We'll show you the process on a computer since the layout is a bit easier to demonstrate on a larger screen, but the steps are fundamentally the same across platforms. First, you need to open YouTube TV in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your Google account associated with your YouTube TV subscription. Once you're in YouTube TV, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. This will open up a menu of options. In that menu, you'll find an option that says Settings. Click on Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll see a list of different categories on the left-hand side. Click on Live Guide. This is where you'll find the option to customize your channel lineup. Now you should see a full list of all the channels available on YouTube TV. To rearrange the channels, simply click and drag the channel you want to move. Drag the channel to its new desired position in the list. YouTube TV will automatically adjust the order of the other channels to accommodate the move. You can repeat this process for as many channels as you like. Put your favorite channels at the top. Group similar channels together, whatever makes it easiest for you to navigate. One important thing to note, any changes you make to your channel lineup are automatically saved. There's no save button or anything like that. As soon as you drag and drop a channel, it's updated. Also, if you ever want to hide a channel entirely, maybe there are channels you never watch, you can simply uncheck the box next to the channel name. This will remove it from your live guide. You can always re-add it later by checking the box again. And that's it. You've successfully rearranged your YouTube TV channels. Now you can quickly and easily find your favorite shows without all the scrolling. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Rome Tips for more tips and tricks to get the most out of your streaming services. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.